Good day, co-students and Mama Kana. Today we will discuss the 3D process of our anaerobic respiration along with the discussion and highlights. So what is anaerobic respiration? Anaerobic respiration is the use of electron acceptors other than molecular oxygen for energy production. This process still involves a respiratory electron transport chain, even when oxygen is not the ultimate electron acceptor.
There are three stages of anaerobic respiration, and the first is the glycolysis. The metabolic mechanism that transforms glucose to pyruvic acid is known as glycolysis. The high-energy molecules adenosine triphosphate and reduced nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide are formed from the free energy released during this process.
Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle is a vital aspect of aerobic respiration, the main source of energy for cells. The cycle converts the available chemical energy of acetylcholine A into nicotinamide adenine dinucleotides reducing power or NADH.
An electron transport chain is a chain of collection of protein complexes and other molecules that use redox processes to transmit electrons from electron donors to electron acceptors, while also transferring protons across a membrane.
Glucose is broken down without oxygen during anaerobic cellular respiration. The glucose energy is transferred to the cell by a chemical process. Lactic acid is created instead of carbon dioxide and water during fermentation, which can cause unpleasant nasal cramps.
Anaerobic process that converts organic food into simpler chemical and produces chemical energy. The electron transport chain mechanism is used by some kinds to convey electrons to the final electron acceptor, which can be inorganic. The molecule pyruvate enters the mitochondria during aerobic respiration and conducts oxidative phosphorylation on the inner mitochondrial membrane.
A molecule of glucose is broken down to produce energy in the form of ATP and NADH. During respiratory, the glycolysis route, which takes place in the cytosol, is the first step. Two molecules of a pyruvate are the end product of glycolysis.
The electron transport chain is also known as the ATP or adenosine triphosphate production chain, since the electrons move from NADH, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide hydride, or FADH2, or flavin adenine dinucleotide are responsible for the creation of a high number of ATPs.
Hey guys, this is Riner C. Priscilias and we are going to talk about the importance of anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration is economically important since anaerobic microorganisms create many of our meals. Alcohol beverages are made with yeast. When yeast cells reproduce rapidly during the manufacture of beer and wine, oxygen is deflected. Yes.